welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time, guys, it's none other than the number 99. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 99. If you would like to see the previous 98, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the ink cards in the end of this video. And guys, as always, we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. It looks really nice. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's open this up. And here it says the ground floor of the Mayfield house. A lovely dollhouse that was made in 1915. It looks really nice. Let's see. Wow, it even has a little carpet there, which you can see. Many pieces of furniture, even a fireplace in the back. And well, over here in the side, we have marked piece by piece all of the different items in the picture, which we have here. And here it just talks a bit more about the house. And here, guys, it shows you how to put these poster board pieces that we got, which I will show you in just a moment, guys. But it shows you how to put these pieces on the dollhouse around the borders. But well, as I always say with this collection, once we unbox the entire collection, I will be building this dollhouse with you guys. So make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like building this dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to stay tuned because we are nearing the end of this collection for what I know of. Because supposedly there are only 120 entries in this collection. So we are nearing the end. We are on number 99 here, guys. So if you want to see the progression of the dollhouse, we will soon start building it. So you're gonna want to see that, guys. I'm personally am very, very excited, and I cannot wait to do it. But I'm like, I've been seeing slowly through time, getting all of the pieces and everything, and I really just can't wait to do it with you guys. But well, here is the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, guys, now it's time to see the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, guys, so we have these like carton papers. Let me see if I can't get that in better focus. There we go. They're just white, and on the other side they're white as well. These will be for the outskirts of not only the house in general, but for the inside once you open it. So I imagine there will be more of these to come. Well, that's that. They're just like kind of a poster board, a very light poster board type of feeling material. And then on to the main event. I'm just gonna open up this Ziploc here. Wow, I really like the little pink roses and all the flowers with the gold frame. It looks really nice. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about this number? Here's the back. I really like it, but I want to hear from you guys. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. And well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links, as always, down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.